With just a little twist to the method we use to create logical silos, we can create physical silos. For physical silos, the only other thing that's required is that every page's URL should contain the name of the category. For instance, let's take this page. This page does not have the category name in the URL. To create physical silos, we need the category name to appear in the URL. We want this URL to appear as this. We have the category name here. Now, this is just for illustration. You would not want the URL of any page to contain air mattress twice. This URL would contain air mattress twice. That would be risky, as Google could think the page is over optimized. But we will get to URL optimization later in the advanced on-page SEO section. To achieve this, to have the category name appear in the URL, we will need to create a landing page for the silo and make this page the child page of the landing page. Here's how we can do this. We will create a new page. Let's call this air mattress. Let this be the landing page for the air mattress silo. Let's publish this page. We now need to make this page a child page of the landing page. This is the landing page, and we need to make this page a child page of this landing page. Here's how to do this. Click on Edit, scroll down, and you will see the page attributes section. Choose the air mattress page as the parent page of this page. Click on Update. Now you can see the permalink for this page has changed. If you view this page, the page URL now contains the category name. We will need to do this to every page within the air mattress silo. We will need to make every page within the air mattress silo a child of the landing page for the silo. What content can you have on the landing page? You can have a brief description of every page in the silo, or you can build the landing page around a medium competition phrase. The landing page can be linked to from every page within the silo. If you do that, then it would be getting a lot of link juice from every page. This process will need to be repeated for the other two silos as well. This is one way to create physical silos without using plugins. We will soon see how to use plugins to create separate menus for each silo. In the next few videos, we will see how to create separate menus for each silo using plugins. But before we can see these plugins in action, we will need to create at least one menu for each silo, and we will have a separate menu for the home page. We have 3 silos here, so we need to create one menu for the twin mattress silo, another for the memory foam silo, a third for the air mattress silo, and a fourth menu for the home page. Each of these silo menus will link only to the pages in a particular silo. Also, each menu will also have links to the privacy policy and the home page. Each page within a silo will display the menu that has been designed for that silo. So, every page within the twin mattress silo will display a menu that's designed for the twin mattress silo, and so on. The menu that's displayed on the home page will have links to the landing page or the category page of each silo, plus links to the privacy policy, about us, and contact us pages. You can have any number of menus for each silo, but 4 is the minimum number of menus we need now. Let's create the menus now. Let's create a menu for the twin mattress silo first. Let's add pages from the twin mattress silo to this menu. We also need to link to the home page and to the privacy policy page from this menu. Let's make the link to the privacy policy page nofollow. Let's save the menu. You do not have to choose any of these options for these menus. Let's create a menu for the memory foam silo. Let's create a menu for the air mattress silo. Let's create a menu for the home page now. The home page menu will have links to the category pages and links to the privacy policy, contact us and about us pages. We will make these links nofollow. Let's save this menu. We have now created all of the 4 menus we wanted to create.